How to find search history on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find search history on your Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you will need to open up your Instagram. And after you're on your Instagram, simply head over to your profile. After you're on your profile, tap on the three lines that is on the top right corner. After you tap there, you are now on settings and activity. And after you're there, you will see your account center. Head over to your Meta's account center. And now you're on this page right here. And if you scroll down, you will see an option that says your information and permissions. Head over there. After you're there, you will see different options such as your information. You can download your information. And along that very option, you'll find search history. Tap on it. And now if you're connected to your Facebook, it will give you option to find your Facebook and Instagram's search history. So let's head over to Instagram. And after you're there, you will see your search history. And it's that simple. That is how you can get your search history, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and bye-bye.